How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out. Let's get started. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix many issues, including grayed out Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. For that, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, head over to the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you do that, your problem might be fixed. Next up, turn on airplane mode in your device. For that, hit back, enable for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Switching airplane mode on and off can refresh your network settings and resolve issues with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Next, reset network settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. After you do that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is update your iPhone software to its latest version. For that, click on the option of Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone settings to its latest version. Next, reset all settings. Head back, scroll down, navigate to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. If none of the above solutions work, it could be hardware issues such as problem with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth antenna. In this case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional assistance. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.